morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This is MJ Farm Base again. This is our farm. We are here to inspect the farm once again. They've started the weeding process. As you can see, the okro, they are all doing well. You can see them all in line. So we are here to visit the farm to make a visual inspection on whatever is going on with the crops. If there is any insect infestation or fungal infestation, then we'll be able to curtail it. Yeah, before then, uh, we've been applying insecticide and fungicide to control the insects. So for some time now, about 2 weeks now, we've relaxed for them. We've not been applying anything, so we're just doing the watering and we're observing to see how well they are doing. So you can look at them. If you see, some are very broad, and from about 2 weeks from now, they should start bearing fruit. Yeah, because they are becoming bigger and bigger, and they are growing well. So in your shot, you can see this is the farm, MJ Farm Base. You can subscribe to our channel, and if you are interested in even selling okro, just drop your number in the comment section, and when they are due for harvest, we just do business together. So that is it. Follow our channel and subscribe for more information that we'll be putting out here. As you can see, this is the farm. It's ongoing. It's obvious some places are doing well than others. So that is it. Naturally, we all cannot be bigger or become bigger. Yes, some people are small in nature, some are big in nature. So the same thing apply to plants as well. So that is it. But anyway, they are doing well, and you can see them in your shot. They are really doing well. These are some of the hoppers disturbing the crop. But you can see it's stuck here. After the application of the spray, which is the insecticide, leopard insecticide, they are paralyzed. So this okro is exactly 1 month 10 days. 1 month 10 days. The variety we planted is Asontem. Some people were asking what to get the variety. There are agro seed selling shops which sell those type of seeds, any type of seed. So just go to agro seed selling companies or shops and you ask them. The very variety we planted here is Asontem. Yeah. So you can see they are doing well. They are doing well. In case you want to plant similar thing, go to any agrochemical shop or agro seed shop, ask them, and you'll be able to find any variety of your choice to plant. So that is it. Subscribe to our channel. As this farm progresses into the next stage of fruit bearing, we will be able to share all the information around this farm with you guys, and you can be in touch if you want to do business with us. If we start harvesting and you like your lady or your woman or whatever, or if you yourself you are into okro selling or you are into vegetable selling, contact us. We are within Ho municipality. You can contact us. Just leave a message in our comment section. We will follow up with your number there. Then we will see how best we can do business. Yeah. So far so good. Everything is looking nice. So we thank God for this farm. This is MJ Farm Base again. Subscribe to our channel so that we'll be able to follow us to the end of this Okro Farm journey. See you in our next video. Bye bye.